I'm headed to Seal Beach to meet with MJ and Jason. They really took on an ambitious project. They saw this house that came up on the market and they went for it. Now, fast forward, it's been 10 months. It's not that they haven't done anything for 10 months. They've been working on the house, but they might have made it worse.
When we first started dating, he used to take me here. It's a cute little town. And we thought maybe one day we'll be able to make that move.
Live the beach lifestyle, hopefully, right?
We have 2 little girls, actually not so little.
Yeah.
Peyton, she's gonna be in high school.
And Devin's 16, teenager and special needs. This lovely home behind us.
They went on market.
We went for it.
It was so run down.
But I think we could see through it. We can see what it can be, the potential.
It was original condition. They bought it as is.
We've been working at this house for about 10 months.
Yes.
One of the biggest setbacks is how the accessibility is going to work.
Devin is in a wheelchair. There are doorways to be widened. There are bathrooms to be modified. And I am particular. That's what's keeping me from really committing to one idea, because I approach it as we can always do better.
We kind of tend to change our mind
A lot.
every now and then.
The frustration that I sensed, I can't see a house that's demolished to that extent and not go see it.
It's hard and asking for help. I just don't know what to do anymore.
Hello? Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, thank you for
Oh
coming.
my gosh, yeah. Wow, sorry, I'm just like looking around at the same time. Good to see you guys.
See you.
I know that you mentioned that your dream was to move to the beach. Y'all have done it.
I know.
I mean, the beach
know.
is right there. I was
there.
driving in, I was like, I have never been in this neighborhood, and what an awesome location.
It is.
Mile from the ocean. It's amazing. Yeah.
Yes.
The neighborhood is where it's at. And I want to know everything. I've walked into a lot of houses in my career, and I don't know that I've ever walked into something quite like this. We've had a lot of rain recently.
Yeah,
How has that worked with everything being open like this?
there's been waterfalls coming. So the roof needs a lot of work, a lot of attention. Being a
So-
flat roof, that's the biggest challenge here.
So new roof.
New.
We need some walls. I mean, I just walked in and took
I
10
know.
steps, and I'm like, yep, they wrecked their house. Did you have plans made?
So we had a contractor come in, and then I couldn't make decisions on the design, to be honest.
Yeah.
And he needed to move on.
Okay.
And our special needs daughter, we need to pay attention to where things are placed.
I want everything to be accessible. So we were trying to figure out how to open the walls, how to make things wider.
It feels like this, you're in over your heads on this.
A little bit.
Completely.
What is it that you like about this room?
The mid-century feel that happens in the ceiling in here.
Yeah, the ceiling is great.
And we love the fireplace.
The square blocks, you don't see them like this anymore.
Right.
That's
No.
pretty fun. That's a mid-century
Yeah.
staple.
We want to do raw concrete floors. We're really into that.
Okay, so I love all these pictures. Are these your inspiration photos?
Yes.
This is my vibe right here.
This is the fun part. I come in here and I just spread these out and then just imagine how it could be. We call it Japandi. Japandi is about imperfection, embracing it, creating sanctuary, and living the very best that you can in the situation you're in. So
I love that. Yeah.
Yes.
No, it's so inspirational. I have studied Japandi design. I've never actually done it myself. That's the challenge. So we'll start with the downstairs. We'll get the lift in. We'll do the roof.
Yeah?
we're
Yeah.
excited.
I have so much work to do. So I'm going to kick you guys out, and we're going to get to it. Today is our first day of construction, and I'm excited to get started. A lot of the demo is already done, but we only have 8 weeks, so we got to get MJ and Jason back in this house.
This is a big project.
Like,
It's crazy.
maybe our biggest. It's probably the most wrecked house I've ever seen.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, so this is their living room. The floors. They want to do polished concrete. Their
Okay.
daughter, Devin, is in a wheelchair, so having the house be accessible is really important to them. Here's what I'm thinking. front door, fresh coat of paint, and then we replace the window next to it with a frosted glass panel. In here, we do windows all the way to the floor with floating wood benches in front of them. For the fireplace, we keep the square blocks, but we paint them, and then we'll go with limestone for the hearth. And that'll kind of tie into the polished concrete floors.
But with the flooring comes the imperfection, which we have that big cut in the kitchen.
Yeah, so, I mean, they've done the saw cutting for the island already. Obviously, the goal here is to use what they've already paid for so that we don't have to, like, go backwards.
There is one big thing, though, that I noticed. It's actually right here, this beam. We have this big span here, right?
Yeah.
But then it lands on nothing. We definitely need something to be supporting this beam from underneath.
These are the types of things that you put all this money into the finishes, and that's the fun part. But then the ceiling caves in. I mean, seriously, this is a really big deal.
We know that we're going to need to shore up this side of the home to carry itself while we add a post underneath this beam.
I'm frustrated that we have to do that because we really don't have the money for it, but we have to.
Yeah.
So MJ and Jason already had some pretty good ideas for the kitchen and a bit of a plan, but there's a lot to do in this kitchen. So I'm allocating a third of the budget to it. Here's what I really want to do for them. We will do a U-shaped kitchen with a big island in the middle and natural gray quartzite countertops in a honed finish everywhere. We'll do a row of cabinetry all the way across on the lower part with tile that goes to a floating shelf so they can display like family photos and mementos. The sink will go in front of the window here, and the refrigerator will go over on this wall. But over here, I mean, this is where another big chunk of the budget will go. Because their whole thing was they need this to be a really functional bathroom.
Yeah.
And it has to be accessible. Okay, so from a design standpoint, polished concrete on the floor, sloping towards the drain. To make it feel like a spa, we'll do vertical white porcelain tiles on 3 walls, and we'll add a nice big window. We'll have the shower over here, the toilet, and then we'll do an accessible sink. You have to be able to just wheel right in.
Right.
And basically the whole room is a wet room. The other room we need to talk about, and I think this might be one of the most important rooms, this is like a family space, right? They've got dining over here, and the really important thing is that we have plenty of room for accessibility so that Devin can go anywhere in here super easy.
Yeah.
There is minimal demolition needed for this project because everything's already torn apart, so we can get right to it. We have rough electrical going, we have the roof being delivered, which is exciting. This house has a flat roof, so we're gonna actually add a 3-layer roofing system that will create some slopes so when it rains, the water has a spot to drain off. Ooh, that looks nice.
It's open, huh?
Yep. Before we put the drywall up, we have to fix the sagging beam in the kitchen by adding more support. Between this and the roof fix, we've already spent $17,000, and there's still so much more to do. What a transformation. Scott has started grinding these concrete floors, and there'll be different colors, there'll be different textures, and that really is the base of this imperfect part of the Japandi design. I know how important accessibility is for this family, and we're working with a home elevator installation company to build a hydraulic lift. It's gonna be perfectly sized for this home and for Devin's wheelchair. First thing they have to do is assemble the rails, they have to install that. And then that's the case that goes around the actual carriage that will bring Devin up and down between the upstairs and the downstairs. Bathroom is coming together. I'm excited about this bathroom because it really ties into the rest of the design of the house, right? You've got the concrete floors, you've got the cabinet, which is the same cabinet color as the kitchen, and then you have this beautiful countertop. Ooh. The $3,000 that we saved on the cabinets will go a long way for the design details in this bathroom. Oh, nice.
It's a nice sink.
But also it kind of sits down in there so it's not so high up.
Looks good, right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's gonna be a great laundry room. It's not a big laundry room, and I wanted to make sure they had somewhere to like fold their clothes. So that's why I thought this would be the perfect solution.
Yeah.
You can kind of flip up onto the wall so you can get access to your mechanical, and then folds right back down.
It's a perfect idea.
MJ and Jason had this laundry room reframed 3 times. That's a lot.
We demoed and then saw because we come up with so many different designs. And then here we are with a $20,000 change order.
By putting in small touches like this, we can save money by building it ourselves. Hi, guys. Ooh, that looks so nice. These countertops are quartzite, which is my new favorite material. They look like marble, but at the end of the day, it doesn't have all of the etching and staining concerns that marble has. MJ and Jason, they don't need anything else to have to worry about, and so these countertops, they'll always look just like this. We have the big island in the middle, and we're doing 1 slab that covers the entire thing. To complement the polished concrete floors and the wood grain that we have on the floating benches, we're adding in a limestone hearth. It's just one more step towards that Japandi design. So we get all the furniture into the house, we then start adding the layers, books, pillows, we're putting things on the shelves, you name it, so that when our clients come in, it's done.
I can hardly breathe. I'm so excited.
This has been a journey. 8 weeks is a lot shorter than almost a year.
Yes. Like magic.
Yeah.
I'll let you 2 go in and look around, and I'll come find you in a few.
Okay, have fun.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I love this screen. So good. I don't know what to look at. Oh my God.
This couch is awesome.
I love the windows. Can't catch my breath. Everything looks so bright and light. I love the concrete. It works so well. This light fixture.
Yeah, that is awesome.
Hug it. She nailed it.
Look at this kitchen.
This kitchen is amazing. The counter, so
Yeah.
beautiful. Oh my God.
So good.
Amazing. So gorgeous.
Yes, it looks amazing.
It is so beautiful.
The flow looks awesome too. Like Devin's gonna be able to get through here in the chair.
Oh,
So good.
Yes. Yeah.
That was a big part of it.
It's
Yeah.
a huge part of it. This is our house. It's crazy.
The floors are existing, but they didn't quite look like this. So we polished them and we sealed them.
Okay.
They're not perfect.
That's
No.
all right. We like that.
It's the gift of imperfection right here. It really gives the room character.
So the fireplace, the blocks are the same blocks that were here before. We just painted them. And then I painted the firebox as well. That makes such a difference, right? Just to have it cleaned up.
Yes, it looks brand new.
The floating bench is awesome.
can sit with me.
Yeah,
there.
Sure. No, it's great.
Oh, I could just see Peyton and Devin sitting
Yeah,
here.
reading a book.
I love it.
Okay, the kitchen.
This is beautiful.
Look how much cabinet space you have in
Yeah,
here.
the storage is awesome.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Just
Seamless
slab,
backsplash. So good.
Honestly,
No grout
I
cleaning.
know. I don't like grout lines. This is so beautiful.
As far as your cabinetry goes, I mean, this is a ton of storage. You have these deeper drawers, right?
Nice.
But then each of them also has this more shallow drawer.
I love it. This is all mine. That's so good.
Okay, let's take a moment to talk about this island.
I love this island.
To pick countertops to go with the floors was really important. So I wanted to do a natural material. This is quartzite. This is durable. If you think your floors are durable, the countertops are as well, so you don't have to worry about them. You want to see your laundry room?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. This way.
Lead the way. I can't wait. Oh my God.
Oh.
This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh.
You have your washer and your dryer. It's all one unit. It saves space.
I can't believe you got all this in here.
Oh my God.
Right?
and I'm seeing some wallpaper behind me.
This actually isn't wallpaper. I had the whole laundry room finished, and yesterday I was like, this needs something else. And so I came in here and painted.
That's amazing. It looks good.
Really good.
Mural.
Wow.
I love this table right here.
Yeah, so the cool thing about this is, this just goes right up like that.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Nice.
And then you have full access to your mechanical.
Oh, that's
Very
great.
cool.
Dining room. You didn't think you were gonna have a dining room. However,
So pretty. I can't believe all of this is in here.
I want to make sure that you have somewhere that you can gather as a family. But it also, it could be dining, it could be games, it could be crafts.
And I love this round table.
Yeah.
Devin can join us, and it's easy. She
Easy.
can just
Slides right up, yeah.
Yeah.
This layout was hard to figure out. And so this wall behind me, we actually added this wall. This wasn't here before.
No, it wasn't.
So behind this wall is your home lift. You wouldn't know.
No.
Okay, we'll look at the home lift in a minute, but first, bathroom.
Oh yes.
What?
Oh my gosh. It's perfect. I'm crying over a bathroom.
Me too.
It's gonna be so nice to bring Devin through here. And Peyton.
Yes.
It's beautiful. And all the light that's coming in from the
Yeah,
outside.
floating bench. Now you
I
can
know.
rest things on there when you're giving her a shower.
Is that okay to get wet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is going to help tremendously.
Oh my
so.
gosh, this changes our lives. I can take care of her the right way.
I see you looking over my shoulder at this home lift.
I think I'm gonna need this.
Here's how this works. Push the down button.
You
Go
can
ahead.
do this.
He's like, yes.
Oh, look at that.
I love it already. It's not even all the way down yet. Blown away. I'm so full of, I'm just feeling so much joy. Thank you for making it beautiful. Everything. And it's
Well
ours.
worth
It's ours. I know.
Finally.
It's so good.
This project has been one for the books. I really appreciate you letting me into your family, letting me get to know you.
Oh my gosh, it's our pleasure.
We're really grateful.
Yes.
We got you started. We still need to work on the upstairs.
It feels doable,
Okay.
right?
Energized and, this is
We're
a
ready.
high
We just
bar,
gotta move
but I
in.
think we can get there.
Well, I'd love to help. So if you need me, you know where to reach me.
We're gonna work on it.
I can't even imagine how excited you are to show your girls.
Oh, yeah, thank you. God.
All right, I'm leaving you here. That's it.
you.
You're so welcome. Enjoy.
Oh my God.
It's amazing.
Oh my God, it's finished.
Yeah.
And it's so tranquil. It's
Yeah.
like serenity walking in there. We're home. We're home, guys.
What do you think?
Isn't it beautiful?
What's been done here is amazing and helps us. Wow.
Wow.
Look at that.
This is such, look, all four of us fit in here. My head feels clear. My heart feels really good.
What's there?
Elevator. We are home. This is forever. Hey, Devin, you're in a home lift. We're so grateful.